Before changing billing, open YouTube TV and confirm you are using the Google account that manages your membership. This prevents updating the wrong profile. The payment method belongs to your YouTube TV membership, so begin from the official account area rather than changing unrelated Google payment settings. On the support page, review the overview first. It explains where YouTube TV billing is managed and provides the official path for updating payment information. Next, gather the replacement card or payment details before starting. Have the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address ready. Using accurate payment details reduces interruptions during the update. If your card has changed, verify the billing address matches the issuer's records. Use the support page's requirements and benefits information to confirm the account is eligible and understand which payment details may be accepted. Open your YouTube TV account settings and look for billing or membership controls. Avoid changing subscription plans when you only need to replace payment details. Review the current payment method, renewal timing, and any displayed limits before saving. These details help you recognize whether the change was applied correctly. Read the support page's options and limits carefully. Payment availability can depend on account location, provider rules, or information shown during checkout. Select the option to update or change the payment method, enter the new information carefully, and continue only after checking every visible field. Save the change through the displayed confirmation control. Do not refresh during submission and wait until the account shows the new payment method. Follow the support page's setup flow for the primary action. Open the billing section, choose the payment update control, enter details, and save. After saving, return to membership billing and check the displayed card or payment label. Confirm it changed without altering your YouTube TV plan. If the old method remains, review the entered details and account selection, then consult official help before attempting another update. Finish with the support page's help and contact guidance. Use those official resources if the update fails, billing looks incorrect, or assistance is needed. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped.